Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite, it seems. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aries. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And I'm not going to apologize for the temporary setting. This is going to, I think, continue for some time. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Aries, Aries, Aries. What's happening here? Five of Cups in reverse and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. That's good. Okay. Bottom of my deck, I have the Devil in reverse. I have a feeling, Aries, somebody wants to now remove the toxicity which has happened in this connection. They want to come out of this place of lack. They want to not live in regret and sorrow for the rest of their life. They want to get over their sleepless nights. But the problem here is, Aries, they're very ashamed and very embarrassed about the bad memories which have been created. This has become like a huge burden for somebody to carry, and especially now since their person has huge boundaries set up, right? And it's not even fighting for the connection. So now they don't know how to, I guess, get over this conflict. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Aries, let's start with your dialogue message cards. Let's see what's if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we clarify the rest of the cards. Aries and their person. Spirit, Aries and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Thank you. I'm going to take a few Aries from another deck. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Aries, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aries and their person. Thank you. Good to go, Aries. Let's start our reading. Okay, so the first card here says, I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate you and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. If only you knew what I've done to be through. If only you knew what I've been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I have made? It hurts like hell when you push me away, when all I do is fight for you and our love. I get triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and then the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for all eternity. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. Please get to know me again. I have changed. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments today to say, I don't want to get to know them again, and people don't change. But well, they have a huge void in their heart, and that's what's triggering them to feel that way, I guess. All right, so Aries, let's start your reading. I'm going to start, of course, with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for today's read. My angels, what do you have for my Aries gang? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? And the card I have here for you, Aries, is activist. Somebody definitely wants to take action here, Aries. They do want to come and, get themselves unstuck from this place that they find themselves in. But I have a Queen of Wands maybe taking action in her own life. And maybe that's the advice. If you are this Queen of Wands, Aries, well, continue to take action in your life. Okay, let's start your reading. Spirit, what's this Five of Cups in reverse and the Nine of Swords in reverse? Who's this? Oh, somebody feels I made a very, very foolish mistake. They feel like such a fool for maybe being a trickster, for maybe not doing right by that person. Now they're very guilty. They're riddled with guilt and shame and sadness and regret. And they desperately want to get out of the zone now. They can't sleep at night. They feel like they're feeling very foolish, basically. So yes, they are, I think, very ashamed, very embarrassed to face their person now. They know they've done something really wrong to their person, in justice in reverse, by not recognizing that this was their Ten of Pentacles, this was their forever person. By not offering that commitment, they do so badly want to end the fight that finally I think they're off their high horse. If they've been in their ego and pride, Aries, I think this person's ego has been crushed to that level that I think they could be even ready to apologize now. Anything so that this argument or this fight can end now. Because they know now they've created, some very bad memories in this soulmate connection. Six of Cups in reverse. They want to now end this back and forth. They don't want to juggle. They feel all this juggling, all this two-timing, whatever this person was doing, or not just bringing this connection into balance. Eventually, they've become the loser. Maybe they had this, pride thing going, that my way or the highway, and, I'm the boss, and playing mind games. They're finally now releasing all that and saying, what's the point? And now I feel like the utter loser and foolish here. What was I doing? What was I doing? I was creating such an imbalance in this connection. They desperately want to come out of feeling lack now. Okay, they want to come out of this feeling of feeling sad and lonely and left behind. They desperately don't want this connection to end. Death card in reverse. And yes, they are waiting. What are they waiting for, Spirit? Because they don't know how to take action. They don't know how to take action. As much as they want to do all this, Aries, this person is just standing and waiting. They don't know what action to take and how to take it. Maybe this person has been very self-centered and selfish in the past, and they know they won't be welcomed back with open arms. So now this person doesn't know how to now take action. This is becoming a big burden to them now, because as much as they want to rectify things, what do I do? How do I do it? Ten of Wands. What's this, Spirit? Yes, they are feeling very deflated. Yes, again the Five of Pentacles, my God. Spirit says this person is really going through it, and they've lost their motivation. If they were like a ladies' man or a man's girl or whatever they call it, this person doesn't have the enthu left anymore. They just want one person, and they want to be out of the cold with this person. Nothing else is exciting them anymore. All they're feeling is this heavy burden that they carry around wherever they go. I mean, even if they're going to, I think, the bathroom, all they're thinking about, or the business meeting, or the market, they're carrying this heavy burden around with them all the time. It's like become part and parcel of their life, and they are unable to start or feel excited about anything new. So, who's in the Nine of Wands energy, Spirit? What's this Nine of Wands? The Empress. The Empress is in reverse though. This Empress says, I'm guarding myself now, I'm protecting myself. They disrespected me. They really hurt me badly, and I don't see any growth with them anymore. I'm protecting myself. I've got my fortress up around me. I mean, come on, I'm the Empress, right? And guess what? I am in a very good place. I'm attracting attention wherever I go. I'm charging ahead. I'm not looking back. I'm not even interested anymore in fighting for this connection. Queen of Wands says something to us. Let's give her the mic. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands has the mic, Aries. Okay. Oh. Okay. One more. Aries. Either this Emperor is you, who says, I'm taking back control, taking back charge of my own life, or this could be this Queen of Wands that is you, Aries, who says, well, I was looking out for an Emperor. I was looking for an Emperor, but they turned out to be a Page of Swords in reverse. Very petty, very selfish, creating drama. They offered me nothing. 10 of Wands in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse, 4 of Wands in reverse, and the 3 of Cups. They put me into third parties. They never offered me any commitment. Hierophant in reverse. So what kind of emperor is this? Omkara Tarot, tell me, what kind of emperor is this that I should be their empress? I see them as a very petty Knight of Swords in reverse. All they were interested in was, they offered me friends with benefits, and they had third parties. Look at me, I'm glowing here. I can get anyone I want. What were they bringing to the table that I should, be one of their third parties? What were they offering me? Nothing. Hierophant in reverse, commitment in reverse. No security, no stability, no future. Okay, Empress, all right. 7 of Wands in reverse. 7 of Wands in reverse. Yes, this Empress says all secrets are out now. All secrets are out. Yes, they should be embarrassed and ashamed of themselves to even face me now after everything that I've got to know about them. I have thought about it long and hard. I retreated, I've thought about it, and you know what? I don't love them anymore. I'm so depleted. I have nothing left to give them. I don't even know whether I have the energy for this, this so-called emperor to fight for them in even one more time. I'm on the verge of releasing this person. This person wasn't my emperor. This was the devil. Let's see. Why is the devil here, Spirit, as our overall energy in reverse? Oh, God. Okay, so this is again this Empress, right? This Empress says, I'm releasing this devil. I've blocked them first of all. I do not want them coming towards me. I don't want to go towards them. Yes, this was a very, very unwise human being. And I got out of this. I'm not having any sleepless nights over them anymore. This was such a weak individual. What I've done for myself is this. 9 of Pentacles. I've become so strong and so proud of myself because I've managed to do everything, but I got no offers from them, right? So I had no option but to make myself strong, my pentacles grow, look good, smell good, feel good, and I've reached that place now. I'm the Queen of Wands. I'm attracting attention wherever I'm going. I'm excited about life, and yes, I don't have time to waste on foolish people. Okay, so that's really strong, Empress, because your person seems to be very sad right now. Very, very sad, very heartbroken. Should we, Aries, take a card for this as well? So, who's sitting in the 4 of Cups, Spirit? Sad and depressed and feeling rejected and heartbreak, and why? Why are they feeling this way? Because the Queen of Wands is upset with them. Because this Queen... So here, I had the Queen of Wands here looking so gorgeous, right? So they are looking at this Queen of Wands and saying, hey, this Queen of Wands doesn't want to take action towards me anymore. This Queen of Wands has now become me. Because now all they're doing is concentrating on themselves. Maybe earlier this so-called emperor was doing this, busy with their own work, no time for you, blah, blah, blah. And now they're feeling very sad and rejected, dejected because they see the Queen of Wands now concentrating solely on themselves. And that is now making them realize how much it hurts. How much it hurts to feel that way. It's almost like do us to others as you want them to do to you. And that's what this person is facing. They're feeling the pain of feeling rejected and not being made a priority. So that's all I have for you, Aries. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give that like, okay? Need the views to go up a little bit now since I've missed out on so many readings. Thank you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.